Nice work. This is planting of potato. Direct. Direct planting.
Oh, yeah.
Record.
I think that
Planting today. Beautiful. We managed to plant it. You can see this new month of perfection, the month of July. You plant, you shall eat the fruit of the land. So we've done a successful planting today. You can see me planting. I'm the one digging. You can see that video when I dig it. So this is the remaining potato which we're gonna plant for tomorrow.
Yeah, nice.
That's the remaining potato there. We'll plant it tomorrow. A nice, beautiful one. You can see the beautiful mountain. That is the car going on. You can see the kid playing with the beautiful dogs. That is Pumba. My baby girl.